Hey there, Math Explorers! Welcome back to our Number Adventure series. Today, we're diving into the world of integers. They're bold, simple, and you use them every day, even if you don't realize it. So grab your curiosity, and let's go. Let's start with a big question. What is an integer? Well, an integer is just a fancy math word for whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. That's it. No fractions. No decimals. Just plain whole numbers, but now includes negative numbers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if you can count backward or forward with whole steps, congratulations! You already know what integers are. Let's break them down a little. Positive integers are the numbers we use to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative integers are their opposites. -1, -2, -3, -4. They tell us when we go below zero, like if the temperature drops or your score goes into the negative. Yikes! And in the middle we have 0. 0 isn't positive or negative. It's the starting line of all integers. Integers are everywhere in real life. Check this out. The weather is 5 degrees Celsius in the morning, but it drops to -2 degrees Celsius at night. Both are integers. You have $10. You spend $10. Now you have $0, still an integer. In a game, you score +3, then lose 2 points. Your score becomes +1. That's also an integer. So whether you're measuring money, temperature, or scores, integers are always helping you out. Integers help us measure change. They show direction, up or down, gain or loss, forward or backward. In math and science, integers help us solve problems, track patterns, and understand how things grow or shrink. They're like the arrows of math, always pointing us where to go. Let's wrap it up with a quick review. Integers include negative numbers, 0, positive numbers, no decimals, no fractions, just whole numbers going in both directions. So next time you check the weather, check your bank account, or play a game, you'll know, hey, I'm using integers.
That's it for today's number adventure. Now you know what integers are, where to find them, and why they're awesome. Simple idea, big impact. That's the power of math. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next part of our number series. Until next time, keep counting, keep learning, and keep having fun.